They said time will close the wound, but the bandage just hides what still moves. You still got me bleeding. Yeah. I changed the address and the locks on the door. Burned every picture, but you live in the floorboards. Every creak in the night sound like your footsteps. I poured alcohol on the memory, trying to clean it, but the cut go deeper than the surface I'm seeing. You was the surgeon who left the blade in. Now every breath feel like reopening. You still got me bleeding. You still got me bleeding. I cover the scar, but the blood keeps seeping. You still got me bleeding. You still got me bleeding. The doctor can't find where the leak is. I tried to replace you with silence and distance, but the silence got your voice in it persistent. I tried to date somebody new just to test it, but that touch only proved your ghost was the best. The worst thing is I know you ain't thinking about me while I'm drowning in the residue freely. You move like rain that fell then evaporated. I'm the flood that stayed while the sun celebrated. You still got me bleeding. You still got me bleeding. I cover the scar, but the blood keeps seeping. You still got me bleeding. You still got me bleeding. The doctor can't find where the leak is. Funny thing about bleeding, it don't stop just because you look away. Yeah, you still got me bleeding. And the worst part is I don't even know your name.